That moment when British luxury meets raw V8 power, and suddenly your tuning tool can talk directly to it. Today we're breaking down a massive AutoTuner update that opens the door to serious work on modern Jaguar Land Rover vehicles. And yes, this one changes the game if you deal with high-end ECUs. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted place for real-world automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and tuning knowledge that actually works in the workshop. If content like this helps you grow as a technician, make sure you tap like and subscribe real quick so you don't miss future updates. Before we go deeper, a quick standard disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything shared here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and automotive enthusiasts. We follow fair use guidelines, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer procedures and local laws when working on vehicles and electronic control units. Now here's the big news. AutoTuner has officially added support for the Bosch MG1CS201 engine control unit used in Jaguar Land Rover vehicles. That means the flagship Range Rover and Range Rover Sport model from the model year 2022 onward are now accessible, including those equipped with a monstrous 4.4-liter V8 P530 engine. Think about that for a second. A luxury SUV that already feels like a private jet on wheels, now paired with tuning access that was previously locked behind serious security layers. Here's the important technical part you must understand. This protocol works as bench mode after mail-in unlock. In simple words, the ECU must first be unlocked at AutoTuner headquarters. Once that unlock is done, you can perform read and write operations safely on the bench using your AutoTuner tool. This is not an OBD job, and skipping this step is the fastest way to turn an expensive ECU into an expensive paperweight. And yes, that moment when you're waiting for the unlock feels longer than a tea break during peak workshop hours. So what exactly are you working with here? The control unit type is the engine control unit, running on bench mode, non-real time after mail-in unlock. The microcontroller inside is the Infineon TriCore TC298, which is a powerful and well-protected platform used in modern high-performance vehicles. Reading the ECU takes around 3 minutes, while writing takes roughly 1 minute, which is impressively quick considering the security involved. The protocol includes automatic checksum correction, meaning data integrity is handled properly, and it also creates a full backup before any writing operation, which is exactly how professional ECU work should be done. Compatibility is currently focused and precise. This update supports the Range Rover from model year 2022 and the Range Rover Sport from the same year, both equipped with the 4.4-liter V8 P530 engine. These are the models using the Bosch MG1CS201 ECU, so always verify the ECU type before starting any job. If you're wondering whether this AutoTuner JLR MG1CS201 ECU support is worth the workflow, here's the real question you should be asking yourself. Does the added security and mail-in unlock step justify the level of access and safety you gain on such high-value vehicles? Stick with me till the very end, because I'll give you one key insight that can save you both time and money when dealing with premium ECUs like this. Now let's answer that question. Yes, the process is absolutely worth it. Modern Jaguar Land Rover ECUs are heavily protected for a reason, and AutoTuner's approach balances security with usability. By handling the unlock centrally and allowing safe bench operations afterward, the risk of accidental damage drops significantly. For workshops working on luxury performance vehicles, reliability matters more than shortcuts. From my personal viewpoint, this update clearly shows where the industry is heading. Fewer risky OBD hacks, more controlled bench solutions, and better long-term ECU safety. If you're serious about tuning or advanced diagnostics on premium platforms, tools like AutoTuner are no longer optional, they're essential. Here's a useful tip before you go. Always label and document unlocked ECUs properly. Knowing which unit has already gone through the mail-in unlock process can save hours of confusion later, especially when multiple vehicles are in the shop. Now I want to hear from you. Would you trust bench after unlock methods for high-end ECUs, or do you still prefer traditional workflows? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you, show your support by smashing like, pushing this video forward, and subscribing to Baabji Motors. Let's hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments and show the algorithm that real technical content still matters. If you really want to support the channel, consider joining the membership or using the affiliate links in the description for the exact tool shown here. It costs you nothing extra and keeps Baabji Motors growing. Thanks for watching till the end. And as always, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.